Alright, so over here we can see that we are overall in an accumulation. The highs right here, for me, they are just a little bit too clean, but at the same time, if we look at the daily time frame, you can see that we are just forming a very tight range, like a compressing range here. So when a price action provides such a profile, it's very difficult to navigate which side it's going to run for, which is why it's better to focus on the lower time frames that are going to give you the expansion profiles. But if we are going to force a bias here, obviously it's going to be in the highs because we took out the daily swing low right here, and then we formed a CSD for the second time over here. So the first time it formed the CSD, it wasn't able to hold up. We went through it, invalidated the bullish scenario, but right now we accomplished the second CSD. So just playing along with the daily order flow, I do think that we're still going higher, but here's the caveat, is that the 4-hour stop hunt, or should I say the 4-hour CSD over here, should be respected, which means this low should not be attacked. If we attack this low, it invalidates the entire setup, which means we are probably heading down here on the daily time frame, like the lows over here. Now looking at the hourly, we don't have any PD rays over here for us to key off from, but looking at the lows here, especially at the, let me just check if it is the 830s low. No, it's not, but it's the equal lows right here during CPI day itself. I think this would be the next objective here if we're just going to be trading within this range from low to high. All right, now on the 4 hours, we have yet to form a swing low on the 4 hours after the CSD. So what I'm actually looking for is swing lows forming on the 4 hours after CSD, and then we take out that swing low. And once we take out the swing low, I'll be looking for a 1 hour CSD. So an example would be here, from this low to this high, we have the 4 hour CSD, and then after that, after this high is formed, we drop lower, we form the swing low, we take out that swing low, and then on the 1 hour, we wait for a bullish CSD. Alright, so over here, this is not a bullish CSD because we did not close above this candle's high. Alright, the first time we had the bullish CSD was closing above this candle's high. This candle, these two down close candles are your order blocks that took out this swing low, and then we closed above. So CSD is over here. So right now, because we have that, obviously I could blindly buy into this price action as it trades into 50%, as well as during CPI as it trades into 50% over here yesterday. But if you're playing on the 4 hours time frame, then this would be the first time price trades into 50%. So we're gonna keep a lookout on this time frame and see if we do form a CSD on the 1 hour, and that should confirm the bullish bias heading towards the equal highs above. And I think as of right now, it's very difficult to play on the lower time frames because we don't have a near-term stop hunt. The last stop hunt that occurred was at 9:30 on highs. So I think for today it's more like a skip, and we probably will not get any move going lower. We're just gonna have to wait for the bullish momentum or the bullish side to print its PD raise for the rest of the week. Now with that said, I think this is pretty much it for the stream. Initially I wanted to capture the short into Asia's low, but price didn't offer me the entry, so yeah, too bad. Alright, and I guess I'll see you next time. Good to be back, but I'm not sure how long I'll be back for. Kind of lost my drive in trying to pursue this YouTube thing. Like, I treat it as a side hobby, so we shall see if I do want to stream or post again. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you.